Hello, in this video I will show you how to reset the oil service indicator on Mercedes ML164. The procedure is similar for most Mercedes cars. To reset the oil service indicator can be done from the dashboard and with the scan tool. Here I'll show you how to do it from the dashboard. So first we'll go and turn the key to position 1. So now that the key is in position 1, we'll go to the menu and find where it shows the kilometers that the car has passed, this menu. And now we're going to press the R button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, until it shows the voltage of the car. Next, we're going to press the arrow down button until we see service menu, and now we're going to go to confirmation with the minus button. Then we're going to press this button to the right. It says full service. Press it again, and then it should say service confirmed. In my case, it says service not confirmed because I've already reset the oil service, but in your case it will say service confirmed, and that means the oil service reset is done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.